Welcome back to Tech Crumbs. Today we're going to tell you how to change the name of a folder on an iPhone 12 Pro Max. So let's say we have a folder here that's called healthcare and something. We don't want to have a really hard name, and we can actually just hold and press on the folder itself, or even before, just hold and press that folder, and we can say rename. And let's say we want to call it something different. Let's say Tech Crumbs for the sake of it, and we call it Tech Crumbs. And you can even use emojis. So let's put an emoji, a purple heart, and that's basically it. There we go. Press out of the screen, and now that is saved. We can actually see the name of the folder there. So that is how you change the names of folders on the iPhone Pro 12 Max. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Bye.